Most people think making money with AI is complicated. But what if I told you that ordinary people in the US are quietly making thousands of dollars every month, using simple AI tools? No tech degree, no big investment, just smart thinking. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 real-style stories of people who used AI to change their income, and how they did it. And trust me, story number 3 is something almost anyone can copy. Jake was a 22-year-old college student from Texas. He wasn't broke, but he definitely wasn't making real money either. One day, he discovered AI writing tools. At first, he just experimented writing blog posts, product descriptions, nothing serious. Then he had an idea. What if he offered these as a service? So he went on Fiverr and created a simple gig. I will write SEO articles using AI tools. First, nothing happened. But then, one order came in. Then another. Within 3 months, Jake was making over $2,000 a month. But here's the interesting part. People weren't just paying for writing. They were paying for speed and convenience. Jake understood something most people don't. Backhand index pointing right people don't buy effort. Sarah worked a 9-to-5 job in California. She hated being stuck in routine. One night, while scrolling online, she found videos about YouTube automation. No face, no filming, just content. She used AI to generate scripts, create voiceovers, and edit basic videos. Her first channel failed. Second one barely got views, but she didn't quit. On her third channel, something clicked. She started posting simple top 10 and money-related videos. After 6 months, one video blew up. Today, that single channel makes her over $5,000 per month. And the crazy part? She never showed her face, because she understood this. Backhand index pointing right, consistency beats perfection. Mark was unemployed. Bills were piling up. Stress was real. He didn't have skills, no experience, nothing special. Then he discovered AI image generators. At first, he created random designs. But then, he noticed something. Certain styles were trending. So he created digital products, wall art, printable designs, simple graphics. He uploaded them on Etsy. First sale took 2 weeks. Second sale came faster. Within 4 months, he was making over $3,000 per month. What changed? Not the tools. His thinking. Backhand index pointing right, he stopped creating what he liked and started creating what people wanted. Kevin wanted to start a business, but didn't know what to sell. Instead of guessing, he used AI tools to analyze trends. He found winning products, built a simple Shopify store, used AI for product descriptions, as customer emails. His first store failed, second one too, but on the third attempt he found a winning product. Within 2 months he hit $10,000 in sales. Here's what most people miss. Backhand index pointing right, AI doesn't guarantee success, but it makes testing ideas faster. Emma was a beginner, no experience, no portfolio, but she had one thing: curiosity. She learned how to use AI tools for social media posts, captions, content ideas. Then she started offering services on Upwork. At low prices, slow start, but over time clients kept coming back because she delivered fast. Today she works from home, earning more than her old job. And here's the lesson. Backhand index pointing right speed is the new skill in the AI era. Important for retention plus engagement. So these were 5 real-style stories of people using AI to make money. Different people, different methods, but one common thing: they didn't wait for the perfect moment. They just started. Now the real question is, which one are you going to try?